Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete a professional Instagram account. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. First things first, we need to open the Instagram app. Here we need to go to our page. Now at the top right corner, we need to click on the three bars to go to the settings menu. Next, we click on Settings and Privacy. Here we find the Greeter Tools and Controls section. You might have. In a professional account, you'll have a slightly different section, and it'll be called Business, Tools, and Controls. There's no difference. We click on it. Next here, we should find the line for Switch Account Type. We click on it. And Instagram prompts us to switch. Personal account or business account. We choose to switch to personal account or personal. As you can see, we've lost our professional account window. If you don't get it right away, you need to log out of Instagram and log back in, and then it'll load. And you will lose this window. And as you can see, now our page is not a professional account, but a personal account. This is how you delete a professional Instagram account and change it to either business or cash. Hope this video has helped you. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes and write your comments. See you later.